Hi, in this video we'll show you how you can register your account and begin using Mathrightnow to improve with practice. You want to go to mathrightnow.com and in the upper right hand corner click register, and then you want to click the Student Personal Subscription Registration link. Once there, you want to fill in the form with your first name, last name, email address, password, and confirm that password. Now it's important to enter the code supplied by your school district, and that code will begin with an SC colon and then a specific unique code for your school. For example, something like this. Enter your code and your subscription will begin. Okay, once in, you are now able to choose your area of study. We have courses in Pre-Algebra 1, Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, Pre-Calculus, and some topics in Calculus. We also have extensive Regents review, which we'll discuss in a little bit. Suppose you choose Algebra. You now have a choice. You can actually scroll through the list of topics, or perhaps you can just search for a topic. Suppose you want to search for slope. Just type in what you want to search for, and those topics contained in slope will come up, and you can choose it right from there. Once you choose a topic, you'll be confronted with a video lesson for that topic. This is a 13-minute lesson in this case that will explain all the important features of slope, and in this case equation of a line. And you can watch that video. You can pause the video and watch it as many times as you need until you seem to understand those concepts. At that point, you want to take practice questions. Best way to practice and improve is to do practice questions. So once you click the Take Practice Question link, you'll be met with questions from that specific concept or that specific topic. You can answer the question, select your answer, submit your answer, verify that's the answer you want, and then you'll be told whether your answer was correct or incorrect. If it's incorrect, you probably want to watch that solution. So if you click the View Solution link, you'll get a full solution for that particular question by just clicking the play button. You also have the option of viewing that same lesson again, or if you click View Similar, you'll get questions that are similar to the one you just chose, and you can do some similar questions as well. Then we can go to our next question, and we can answer the next question. We can answer as many questions as you want, and when you feel like you're comfortable with that concept, with that topic, it's probably a good idea to click the Take Assessment button. Here, you're going to take a 10-question assessment, which is going to assess how you did in this topic. And it will tell you if you need a little more practice, or perhaps you feel ready to continue with the next topic. Now, once you've completed that assessment, simply click Finish, and you'll have a little record of how you did on that particular assessment. Here we had a 90%, so you would feel pretty confident that you understand that concept, and you can go ahead and choose another concept. You can also review the concept that you just studied, or you can go to your next concept and just choose that next concept that you want to work on. And then once again, you'll get a new video, and you can do that same type of practice. At Mathrightnow, we have excellent study for your upcoming Regents exam. We have two ways you can study for the Regents. You can choose the New York State Regents exams link, and there you'll find all the past Regents for Algebra, Geometry, and Algebra 2. And you can click any one you like and begin studying or practicing questions from that particular Regents exam. That's quite helpful if your teacher has assigned questions from a particular Regents and you need a little help. Each of these questions will have a full video solution. Another way you could use Mathrightnow to study for your regions, we go back to the dashboard, is by clicking the Regions Review by Individual section. Here, we break up the type of regions question into 4 different sections: multiple choice, fill in, free response, 4 points, and free response, 6 points. So the regions is broken up into these 4 sections, no matter which regions you're taking. And sometimes it's really helpful to practice one particular section at a time. And when you feel like you've sort of mastered that section, you maybe want to try the second section. For example, suppose you want to try some multiple choice questions on the geometry regions. You're going to click multiple choice, and you'll immediately be given a bunch of multiple choice questions from past regions exams. You can answer as many as you want, and of course you can skip through questions. If there's a question you don't want to do, or maybe you feel you understand the question or you don't need practice in that, you just skip through them until you get to questions that you want to try, and every question has that full video solution. If ever you want to try a different section, you simply go back to your dashboard and once again choose the Regions Review, and you can choose any section you'd like. Thanks for taking the time to view this video. At Mathrightnow, we believe with regular use, you will begin to see great improvement in your understanding of mathematics. Good luck and goodbye for now.